Just hold on. Just hold on. One ambulance step on the way. Just hold on. Hold on.
I don't catch your grasses, boy.
No worry about that, man. No worry about that.
It's feel cool.
Boss, you don't stay.
You might lose a whole heap of blood.
Listen, I can't feel my foot.
No!
You gotta watch him sleep. How long are there?
About half an hour.
So what I do? You watch him sleep.
More like watch a dream. You did a dream, right?
Yeah, I know.
Mr. Sheldon, sir, your medication.
Miss Water Campbell.
Miss Water Campbell? So who you take for idiot?
We who?
Me and Nurse Peters. Look how easy she had to take the medication.
Yeah, that's the only one, you know. I don't watch things too much. Bring the thing, look. Nobody with the makeup face, you know. You set her up on me. Right now, I'll my dream, me, I see her.
In your dream?
Cause I'm bringing some fruits off of the road for you, you know. Just let me know when you want it, cause they're in the fridge.
Respect you, cause boy, but I'm not really ready for that yet still.
What did I dream about?
Yeah. And how me reach in there?
You did in a dream?
That him say?
I just shoot him in a dream about, you know. They tell Miss Brissett to me cool and I you decide her and say, yo, how him stay, am I alright? I'll Tony and Stanley. I'll ball on the place. Weak, you know.
We didn't know something like that, you know.
Cause, no worry yourself. You soon get sorted out and can able to move around again.
Not if me can walk again.
Shouldn't I stop saying something in the morning?
Me I go down and shop for something here.
You worry too much, you know.
Cause, remember saying to start the physical therapy yet, you know.
Let me say, give me this. The doctor already say the surgery was successful. So why you slump on this negative thing, Sheldon?
Pretty, you can't say anything, you know. Successful because them take out the bullet, but it not guarantee nothing else.
Cause, no say them things, them man.
Sheldon, you not stop with them something there.
May I tell you what the doctor said?
You not listen to no damn doctor. You go walk again.
I'm more than a week now, and all that. Not even look a feeling in my leg them.
Here what? I just feel like you have to just wait upon the therapist first.
That must say to you now. We talk to Nurse Peters, right? And she find a therapist. So, I think she's supposed to come today.
Another new face again to get used to.
He's a therapist, Sheldon. A therapist. He's a muscle, brother. You want me for a photo put them on a doctor, brother? It can be freaking difficult sometimes, see, man. Sure.
So pretty, you really have the... You have to your mind. You really have the heart to come in and come and load up your mouth.
I'm not loud up my mouth, Sheldon. Attack me, attack. You can't bully me.
Pretty, I tell you all the time, tell me no, you ramp.
I'm not ramp with you. Full of too much chat, brother. That with you.
1 second, guys. Now, guys, shop and come back and...
Alright, Alright, go on. Come here.
Nah, baby, I know.
No.
Yo,
Sheldon,
stop.
relax.
T, you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
You never say I come down here for something?
For something?
Yeah, you say I got the shop for something. Where you come from?
Oh, I just remember. A cup soup, I say my cup.
What up on your mind?
Nothing, babe. Why you ask?
Cause it seems so tight. You don't feel no way cause there so long.
What? No, your mad? Remember say me suggest I want him come down here.
I know, but sometimes it get a little hectic. And I just want to know.
We still get by, no matter how hectic it get.
Yeah, but we still have to work and earn. So we have to find a way to balance it.
Babe, we got family. And that is something women have. To tell you the truth, if something for happen to my mother, would I expect the same from you?
And you know you don't have to worry about that.
And that's why I don't want you to worry about me. We're good.
I love you, my girl.
I'm loving my youth. So, what am I going?
A big argument up there. You need it.
What am I arguing about now?
He might behave negative about walking and then she rush him. And you know quick foot, him don't like the load up.
Ah boy. I'm difficult for true. But I try him condition.
I can't wait for your therapist to come because I just feel like it will improve.
It will. It will.
She get them to pay for the EP upfront, Sheldon. And that's the reason I have to make sure it's done properly.
Pretty, I know them things they go. And that's my issue. The problem is you tell me lie.
I never lie, Sheldon.
What do you mean? I mean you not tell me lie.
Technically, I never lie.
That with you know.
To the song them Vice and Mix in the country. So she just use that as an opportunity for just make video for the song them, Sheldon.
Penny, all of that sound like a bag of mumbo jumbo, you know. But big man thing, me and you all are reasoning already. And you say you go put half them hectic something there until the baby born. Now that you tell me.
No, we never agreed to that. We agreed so we now go perform stage performances.
So, Penny, video and a performance.
Yeah, Sheldon. But it more control, madam have to say, cut, start, and then something there, and like it I go straight through.
Penny, you watch about the video?
Babe, listen to me. It's not so dramatic as it look on the video, them, okay?
You see that one? All a big truck them here, they pan a batter go on the most way.
The angle where the man there shoot from make it look higher than how it really is. It never really high.
So you have an answer for everything we might ask you, don't? But you just go and do it here.
You ever think about it?
Honestly, I think about it some of the time, yes.
I think we can explore other options.
I definitely agree, but right now, the place too packed. So when everybody free up, we can talk about this.